Hey there, just wanted to do a quick demo of an app I've been working on just to mess around with the Phidata AI agent framework, which I've really appreciated recently. So just to dive in real quick, I actually created a audio interface for this, which is kind of cool. And if I connect,
Welcome to your to-do list. How can I assist you today?
yeah, can you tell me if I have any to-dos right now?
It looks like you currently don't have any Totos on your list. Would you like to add something new?
Yeah, I would like to add a walk the dog to my to-do list.
I've added walk the dog to your to-do list. If there's anything else you'd like to do, just let me know.
Yeah, can I also add call my mom, pick up the kids from school, and I need to get some bread, milk, and eggs from the supermarket, but make sure the bread, milk, and eggs are due tomorrow.
I've successfully added the following tasks to your to-do list. 1. To pick up the kids from school. Get some bread, milk, and eggs from the supermarket. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, can you tell me when I'm supposed to pick up the bread, milk, and eggs?
You're scheduled to pick up the bread, milk, and eggs from the supermarket tomorrow, October 24th. If you need help with anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, can you mark all of those to-do list items as done?
All of your tasks have been marked as completed. 1. Walk the dog. Call my mom. 3. Pick up the kids from school. Get some bread, milk, and eggs from the supermarket. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So clearly you can see that the prompting needs a little bit of work, but if I go over here, I built a UI for it as well. So this is just a Vite UI, and I can, you can do all the things that you'd expect. The interesting things is it'll actually extract the date from the conversation as well. So I can do some neat things like add some tags to the shopping list task. Milk, bread, eggs, just to be explicit. Let's see if it does this. There we go. So milk, bread, and eggs is added to the tag. So it's quite robust. I can switch to standard mode to like you know wash my clothes, and I'll add that again. I can mark it as done. Um, what's interesting too is I can actually use OpenWebUI with this. So what to-dos do I have? I'll even leave the misspelling. And so it'll pull them in as well, so I can have a full conversation here. I've got a GraphQL interface and some other stuff. I'll go ahead and post the source code for this. But yeah, Phidata, pretty cool framework. Like it a lot.